The SITA SurfaSpector is our mobile contact angle measuring device for testing the wettability of surfaces, for example on metals, glasses and plastics. At the touch of a button, a dosing unit precisely places a microliter-sized drop of water on the surface. The drop is illuminated from the side. A high-resolution camera records the projection and the device displays the contact angle. The lower the contact angle, the better the wettability. This specially adapted method enables quick and reliable measurement, even on small surfaces, reflective surfaces, vertically or overhead. The SurfaSpector combines automated measurement with intuitive operation. All data can be evaluated directly on the touch display. The robust device can be used directly at the plant or in process without a PC. The optional SITA SurfaceLog PC software offers advanced measurement data visualization and data export. Typical applications are found in the quality inspection of surfaces after cleaning and pre-treatment processes, for example before subsequent bonding or coating. If you want to know whether the SITA SurfaSpector is suitable for your application, contact us for a free consultation. We look forward to hearing from you.